And hello there, anime fans and folks. This is Mixer Wars, and welcome to an episode of Mixer Wars Unboxing. So right now, what we have here is one of the latest figure standard to come up. We have Kaiju number 8. Yes, the protagonist Kaiju from the same manga and the same anime, Kaiju number 8, Hibino Kafka in his Kaiju form. So as you can see here in the box art, we see him in his kaiju form and doing one of his signature attacks. Off to the side, we have here some information or some poses that you can do with it. And of course, there are some other parts here that is related to his punch attack. And of course, we can swap heads. Off to the other side, yeah, back and front, some information about the kit itself and other stuff. Opening and seeing what's inside, we see one bag with 3 sprues, no, 4 sprues, mostly all black, and yes, it is with different textures. Second bag with a bunch of stickers, many stickers, and of course more of that black textured sprue. Last bag contains 2 sprues, one multicolored and one all black. And let's not forget the instruction manual. You can see it here doing the signature attack, and yes, you can swap out parts where he can do his signature, the signature attack that I talked about earlier, and of course his scream. Now let's take a look individually at the sprues. Okay, and first up is the multicolor sprue that seen earlier. So we have some traces of some electric blue, green, some of that black, and the bony white, and of course the red for his tongue. And yeah, these are his different facial expressions here. So this is the A sprue for Kaiju number 8. But aside from being an A, there is actually an A2 here, which, let's see, yeah, this portion here is replicated. A third of the A1 is replicated into this A2. Of course, we also have another sprue, all black, blackish gray thing, which is the B sprue here, which, as you can see, I'm not sure if I can zoom in. Yeah, there you go. See, most of them are textured with different textures and stuff. And it also has a B2 here, which is just only replicated. Actually, no, not a replica, or not, no duplicates at all. Separate sprue. And also we have a C sprue here, which focuses more on the extra limbs and parts. And a D sprue here, more of that black parts. And lastly, an E sprue, which is for the special attackers here, and extra parts. And of course, as I have shown earlier, it has a big sticker sheet. Well, not really that big, but large one, in fact. And there you have it, anime fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of the figure standard Kaiju number 8. And so far, I am enjoying the anime, and as far as my manga journey, I have just started it and kind of regretting why I just know about this nuts now. But hey, I'm enjoying it. It has some nice action and comedic stuff inside there. Anyways, this is Mix Wars, and saying, if you are new to the channel, please do continue watching, subscribing, leaving a like, sharing, and commenting on the videos. And until next time, see you and thank you.